What's up, guys? In this video, I didn't really have time to do an intro because I was going to record it, but it slipped my mind, so it kind of started in the middle of nowhere. But we're going to be installing Brandon's speakers in his truck. I wanted to include this on the channel because I thought it was pretty funny, and we had a lot of fun making it. So I hope you guys enjoy. See ya.
Alright.
Why did I undo that one?
I don't know why you undid that one, Brandon. These ones are the ones you need to
Is
get.
it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Cringe ass YouTube intro. We should get a suck.
Hey, Brandon, here's a pro tip when recording. Use the camera as your eyes.
No.
Yeah. Because whenever we did the truck video, and I would look at the recording, 90%
Sounds
of
like
it...
a you problem to me,
90% of it was you aiming it at your shirt.
Yo, it sounds like a fucking you problem, bruh. It's not my fault. I'm right there. Hey, yo, this side's good.
Yeah.
That's correct.
This one does not.
Good old redneck engineering. Engineering. Why isn't this coming loose?
Let me get it. Hold up.
Hold up.
Watch out. Watch out, boy. Watch out, boy.
Hold up.
Hold up. Okay. Could you do me a favor, Brandon, and record this? And use the camera as your eyes. No, just look like to find stuff, look through the camera.
POV, you're stupid.
POV, you're stupid. There we go.
POV, you're retarded.
Oh, you fuck. Oh, well, they fucked up the crimping anyways.
Yeah, they did that shit like what I did to your truck.
Yep.
Nothing but a little bit of...
We need to find some pliers or some crimps, something. Time to go to the crack shed.
Dad, I know you're sad, but I need to fix my car. I only care about myself. I'm gonna be great with parenting.
Oh yeah?
God, I feel so sad. Shut the fuck up. Go to your room. Come back to me when you get some bitches.
Hey yo, let us in for the free. No, can't let you in for the free. Sorry.
Could use glue.
So, your radio is draining your battery, and you want to put new speakers in it so you can use your radio, but your radio's out of the car.
No, it's in here.
But it's out of the car. Oh no. It's brokey. It's broken.
Get that boss radio.
I also hate that they painted that.
What? They painted what?
This.
Yo, just buy a new one on eBay.
Is there anyone?
What if they didn't paint over it and that's just the way it looks like?
No.
Well, if they didn't,
It's definitely been spray painted over.
Well, honestly, it looks kind of good with that going up, not gonna lie.
Well, I see your issue is the little tab right there. It's a flex tab rather than like a hinge. And the flex tab finally broke. Also, I think your clips are broken. But yours are pretty easy to replace. 'Cause it's only like it's like 4 screws for
Yeah,
you.
I'm gonna get an MR2 like fucking cassette tape holder for the bag. I'll just fucking make my own custom interior parts.
That's super easy to fix. Just get Bondo.
Oh, I think I just shitted myself.
Oh damn,
Damn, bro.
that's crazy. But
That fucking ass.
No.
I got them scro. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Skosh.
Skosh. You know, the skosh.
I don't even know. I think it's like
Skoosh.
I think it is Skosh
Skosh.
or Soch or something like that.
Shro.
I mean, they're not bad for $20.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We have these on the boat, and they sound pretty loud on the boat, going like across the water.
Yeah. I need that Fortnite battle pass. I just shit out my ass.
Oh, I don't think this would work anyway. I think I need a smaller crimp.
What?
I need a smaller.
You mean tab?
I need your mom, Harley.
Oh. Your door hinge not looking too good.
No, well, this one's actually not the bad.
And your door hinge not looking too good.
Man, I don't give a fuck.
It's cracked the fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
You're gonna be driving and your fucking door's gonna go.
New doors. I can't even use these.
Oh, I know. I know that those people can't use those. Those are for like custom audio.
Why would I want to be repping the Walmart fucking speaker brand?
No, it's more like if you're making a speaker box.
Oh.
And then you need the cover. They don't have. If you don't have like actual shields, that'll work. God, you shit yourself. God.
What? I didn't do anything.
I smell shit.
It's just the truck, bro.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
God, that stank. that stank.
That's just the truck, bro. What are you talking about?
It smelled like fucking farts, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you, that's the truck.
That's disgusting. That's so nasty.
This is the crackheads across the street. Could be that, actually.
Okay. Because, God, that was rank. That was
Yeah, what if I drop cheese under my seat and it...
Did you actually?
Maybe.
Because that shit rank. Oh, I don't know.
So that's how I drop cheese underneath my seat, by the way. I don't want to answer this question.
Alright. Well, we need pliers, so you're gonna have to get pliers.
You're a four-way, you get to a stop, and you don't know what to fucking do, and everyone got there at the same time. What do you do now? We could do that, bitch. You politely. No, everybody goes at once.
Okay.
That's how I want my traffic to be.
Oh, he got that Fortnite gun. He got that Fortnite gun.
2017, Harley, you let it go.
He got that Fortnite. You got that Fortnite battle pass? There you go. So we finally got a crimping tool because someone didn't have one.
I was about to say something really fucked up, and then you like stopped me, bro. I'm about to say some fucked up shit.
Oh, don't say some fuck up shit.
I'm about to say it now.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, I know what it was. I made a girl cry today at school on purpose.
Uh-huh.
I don't feel a damn thing.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
Yo, I meant, I was like, hey, Logan, are you in fitness? He's like, yeah, I'm into fitness. And I said,
Damn, bro. You seem to suck at your job. That's not how you strip wire.
okay, where do I...
On the bottom. Where the holes are. Because if you strip it like that, you're going to damage the wire like these fuckers did over here. Because, like, literally there's one strand of copper on both your terminals.
I think it's this gauge right here.
It's a really fucking tiny gauge, so yeah.
Did I get it?
Let me do it. I'm gonna have to teach you how to use the wire strippers. Hold up, like that ass. I'll show you how to use it, and you can do the other side if you want.
Okay.
Hold the camera and use the camera as your eyes, big dog. All right. So you probably want to go to this one. So when you're doing it, you put this on the back, grab it about there, and then just fucking there. See?
Yeah.
I'll have to fold this over because you cut some of it off.
Why don't you see, bro?
There. And then
You just twist them together.
turn everything. Just one of your tabs. Slide that bitch in there. That's too far because I'm an idiot. And then take your crimping tool.
Take the crab claw, bro.
Whack ass fit mount. And She's done.
Look how beautiful that is.
Uh-huh. And you just...
Why can't I be beautiful?
Because I have autism.
How to get banned? Oh no, looks like you're going to jail.
Yeah, so for this we're gonna have to like mash it.
Okay.
So what I usually do is I take this, put it in here, and then just fucking fold that shit if you can.
I'm gonna fold you, bro. Monkey flip you.
It's a lot easier if you have pliers rather than.
Somebody that's antagonizing you all the time. Yeah, I feel that.
So there you go. You have a knife?
No.
You don't have a knife?
No, I don't.
You don't have a
I don't want to
knife?
go to jail at school.
You don't have a knife,
I don't
Mike?
want to go to jail at school.
That'll work.
They'll send me where Austin went.
Did Austin get sent alternative school?
No, it's too late for that. So they just sent him home for a week. So he got early spring break. Hold up. You're always busting like the fucking, what is it called?
Your mother?
No, what the fuck? Don't say that. It's your mother.
Oh no, he got me. I'm gonna have to get my flatheads. But yeah. So I was asking to get a knife.
You want me to shop at the Gap?
See if you can slide it on. Because if it is reversed, we can just swap the polarities, and what it's gonna do is basically just make your sound reversed. And when you play music, it's gonna be quieter, so it's gonna like cancel itself out. That's how noise canceling headphones work. There you go.
Just hang them a little
And
bit.
then
Put one.
screw back on. Well, you just. You need.
Hardware.
I'll grab your hardware. Just that you need that on the screwdriver. And then all your screws down here, boy. I only need two.
I want the crimping tool.
And I need you to come over here and film my good buddy.
I need you to crimp the film.
Like just sit in the seat and film. It'll be easier that way. Or like film across.
Oh, I'm gonna sit on. Yeah. Yeah, yo, buddy.
Look at this. Look at the single wire.
Wiring job.
The single wire. The single copper wire that they left.
You can't see my face right now, but
I'm pretty upset.
oh, baby. What are you doing, baby?
Please stop.
Hi, kitty. You fart in your hand and make it a sound.
I hate that. I hate those videos so much.
It's fucking cursed. Why is it not?
It's more than cursed.
You God. No, wait, that's never mind. Andy, you have cancer, Andy. You didn't watch that one yet? It's on Papa Meat.
No, I haven't watched it yet.
I've subscribed to like his one channel, Papa Meat. It's
I
like
am too,
it's like Toy Story, but fucking cursed.
You gotta watch the fucking video, dude. Fucking shit.
I don't have to watch anything.
These crips suck. Dude. They're not stripping the wire.
Maybe I should have bought them then. Listen, Harley, I shit, you get shit on. We are not the same. No comment, I see. It's a factual statement, that's
No,
why.
that's just wrong.
You can't argue with facts.
I can, because your facts are incorrect.
No.
Incorrect.
No. Yours are.
No, you.
You cringe kid is what you should have said. You cringe kid. Goddamn! Just expose more of the wire, Harley. I'm surprised that one was the good speaker, and that one was the bad one. Like, what the fuck?
With the single bit of wire coming out of this one.
Yeah, like, what the fuck?
It's called stupidity.
What in the country fried fuck was I looking at?
Okay.
Stupid.
Uh-huh.
So I'd say the pizza's done by now.
I'd say you're a fucking pizza face.
Yeah, you're one to talk.
Fuck off.
Alright. Alright. I think it's getting a little hostile out here.
Like the movie.
I was just wondering, like,
Listen
It's getting
here.
brutal out here.
You're gonna get your pizza when yeah.
When you
You get what you fucking deserve.
You've not passed your vibe check. See, it's the haha funnies that I'm looking for.
The sun's flaring in my
You just get good, kid.
I'm gonna make the camera shake. Time for my
Papa Perky just
for my perk.
bitch, you got no water.
The steering wheel's in the way from me looking at your face. Look at the
Sucks to fucking suck.
Whenever I turn and go look at you, the fucking wheel's right there. Can't even film funny haha moments. Cause the wheel's in the way.
You're
You
stupid.
fuck you. Stupid. Okay. I'm gonna put in the radio.
Okay. Actually, yeah, just put in the radio first.
And just see if it works.
Well, one, we need to figure out if we have the polarities backwards. Because if we do, it's gonna be really fucking quiet.
I like her.
Because if we put it backwards, the sound waves are gonna cancel each other out and it's basically gonna do like what.
It's gonna make it into headphones.
Yeah, it's gonna make it into sound editing headphones.
Wonder what I should play.
Nothing copyright.
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel.